So now that we have the X9 out of the box, we should have our model here and our controller on top. Okay, so open up this box here, you're going to see we have an analog controller and we have our universal toolkit. So one of the first things you want to do as part of the assembly is go ahead and install our joystick here. So you notice that there's a slot here. So in this slot we're going to push the joystick bar in. When your joystick is in, you're going to take this wire and just push it snugly up inside, right underneath that hand bar there. When you receive your X9, this system here, this camera system that locks your joystick in place, will be fairly loose here, as you can tell. What we're going to do is maybe give it 1 or 2 turns clockwise. So I'm going to just turn it clockwise once around, and we're going to tighten it up. So it should be snug right here about halfway through, and if we do, we're going to push this up and lock your joystick in place. And just repeat that for the left side. Now, if we want to charge our chair, we have to unplug this here. And here's our charger. And we have 3 prongs in there. And the 3 prongs are going to be facing down with a 3rd one on the bottom. And we're going to push that in just like that. Remember, with your motors in the lock position, we can now start using our joystick here. We have a lot of controls here. We'll explain these to you as well. Here's our power button. If we turn this on, you're going to see some lights come on. Now, this is a battery indicator light. It shows we have about a half range battery here into the orange. A full battery would be into the green, but we're here with the orange battery right now. We have other buttons here, the horn. We have the speed buttons, plus and minus, so if we increase the speed by doing this, and decreasing speed by going down. So these controls on here activate your leg controls and your back control as well. These work independently, or we can choose to use them all at the same time. So what I'm going to do right now is activate the left leg here. When I press this button, you're going to see it light up green. You can use the joystick here to move the leg up or down. So now I'm going to activate the right leg, and by pressing this button here. Now the right leg will light up green here, and we have the same functionality here with the joystick. We're moving the leg up independently of the left leg, and now we're moving the leg down independently of the left leg here. Okay, now we're going to change the control to the backrest by pushing this button here in the middle. When we do that, there are 2 legs turned off and our backrest turned on green here. So the same thing applies. If we use our controller, we're going to go ahead and lower the backrest and raise the backrest. Now another feature of this controller here is we have the ability to group the legs with 1 press of the square button here, which does the both back and forth, or 1 more press of the square button. We can group all 3 together. So now we have 3 working all together. The backrest will go down and the leg rest will rise up.